Welcome to this tips and tricks video. Today we will show you how to use the cat diagnostic function in Esprit. To use the cat diagnostic function, you need to first import your cat file, like we do here. Once your part will be imported by Esprit, it will ask you if you want to run the cat diagnostic on this part. If you click on yes, the cat diagnostic will be applied on this part, and you will see in a new tab all the issues that you will have on this solid. If you click on some faces, the faces that you selected here will appear in red in the part view. It has the number of the edge that has an issue. If you stay a little longer on your face, you can see some additional information. Here it says that vertex doesn't lie on edges curve. You can also make a right click and zoom to fit, and it will zoom on the face that has an issue. As you can see, in this case, the cat diagnostic is running each time I open a new cat file. I can also deactivate this function when I import a new cat file by going in the option and uncheck prompt to run cat diagnostic on import. I can still do my cat diagnostic after the import by selecting my complete solid and running the cat diagnostic in the analysis tab. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to follow EspritCam on social media and stay tuned for our next tips and tricks video.